Here is how to create a new Microsoft account. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your web browser, and then after search for Microsoft, or you can also directly go to www.microsoft.com and then open its official website. Now, once you've done that, you need to tap on the sign in option in the top right corner of your screen. As we're looking to create an account, we're going to go ahead and tap on this create an account, which is highlighted in blue color, that is beside new to Microsoft. Go ahead and tap on this option. A new menu will appear when you need to go ahead and enter the email address that you want to associate with your account. Then tap on next and enter the code that they have sent in your email address. Open that specific email sent by the Microsoft account team. Copy the code that has been sent and then paste it over here. Now enter your country or region, select your birth date, and then tap on next in the bottom. Enter your first name and your last name, then tap on next in the bottom. Now go through the verification. Press and hold on this button to verify. Wait for a few minutes for the verification to be completed. And after that, you'll be instantly logged into your Microsoft account. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.